Whakalawhātu Makau, welcome back. I'm here at the Holiday Inn in Mangere. I'm here early to help my mum set up for the 50th gala. As you can see, I got my blazer on, my suit. Pretty exciting. 50 awards going out today. Congrats to everyone. This is a pretty cool event. Get to celebrate the Niue champions doing stuff in the community. I think this is the first of its kind, which is awesome. I know it's going to be a good night tonight. Whiwhi lahi o, wow. Ni mo ke aonge wakaho Niue, tō taha. Whiwhi lahi o. Kikisia o, here we go. Hokotea Mautolu, kia tangata Special Awards 2024. Kisia. Shee! Nice. Kisia. Oh, here we are. I'm with my famous uncle, Whakalawhātu. Famous uncle, farmer. Hey, always working. I'll let you do your, always working, always busy.
That's your shirt.
Got my tapu. Oh.
Hey, over here, Danny.
Here's one of the taki-takis.
Oh, whakalawhalahi atu, whakaue ko whiriwea a tautolu he mo awhiawhi nei, langa kina hako e taonanga whakapā ha puipui a Niue, ke lata ia mo e tau whakatautonu he tau matakainanga Niue, mo e whakamanatu e tu e 50 tau he pule whakamotu. Ke he motu tautolu ko motu se fua, nukutuku lea, whakahoa motu mo Niue whikai. Hei ne whakatalitali ngai e ni ala hoko mai e te tangata.
You understand that? Mamanakai? I should quickly show around the setup before people arrive. Oh, this is cool. 50 years. Wow. It's been a while, but we got the Mr. DJ Brent. What's up, love?
Good to see you, bro.
Do you remember, hey Brent, how you been, brother? It's been a while.
Yeah, I've been good, bro. Been good.
Yeah.
See you still.
Yeah. I saw you comment on my dad's 70th.
Yep.
Yeah.
So for those who are watching, I also did this man's dad's 70th. Was it earlier this year?
Last year, bro. That's all. And then I think you're booked in for my nephew's 21st.
I am.
Hey, hot stuff, bro. Oh, hide the man for this guy.
I don't know. It's there's a bit of pressure when you play for your own people. So
because they're the harshest judges, eh?
I know. So hopefully tonight, the stuff that I've got here is, enough to make the people happy. So
yeah. Oh, nice. Oh, sweet man.
Yeah, no pressure.
No pressure. This is the taki here. Look, we're always working. Busy.
Yeah. Look at that.
Nice.
That's it. Yeah. So that's what that is.
Gee.
So yeah.
This is Joss being backstage doing all the work. He's doing all the work. Gee.
How are you? Good to see you. Good, thank you.
Yep.
Hey, fuck my God! Oh man, got the Niue visit. Thank you everyone for coming. Just my birthday, we're gonna have the cake. So, we're gonna go for Christmas. Just be anything. So, yeah.
Fuck all it.
My ducky. So, good shout to Mama shout out to Dad. Living here. So, Dad, love you man. Bye.
It's wonderful to be here on Niue Airport.
Whakaoe, Whakalawhātu. Got Miss, got Gus, Whakalawhātu, up there. As you can see, it's getting busy, getting packed. Got Elijah at the back, got my sister, pretty packed. Got my other sister, got Mrs. Steph. Yeah. Pumping. Nana. Hey Steph, pakalo fatu. Homo tapulhao.
Oh
man. Yeah.
The decoration, like the decoration?
Oh, nice. Oh, alenga. Yep. Oh, sorry, Lima. Yeah, it's pumping now. Now we're starting to get started. Bit late. Oh, we got one of the ushers here.
Really nice event, eh? Yeah. Thanks, David, for coming.
Yeah, typical Niue Island time. Kamate hapa ono, it's almost 7 though. So everyone's getting pumped.
Yeah.
Everyone's getting pumped for the show.
Hey.
Can't wait.
Hey,
Oh.
start to this guy.
Yeah. I think I've seen old Philip Tasmania.
One chair.
Yo. Okay. YouTube subscribers.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah, we work here. We done it.
Oh, ko hai hingoa hao. Eli. Hey. One of our. She's gonna be on the vid. So YouTube subscriber Eli. It's Mac. Mac came for cow. Wait for the takalo, eh? Came for oh, it's for the youth. The youth are doing it. But this is the cow for South crew.
I'll go ask the guy if it's cool.
So Sandy, my sister Sandy's doing the photography for tonight. There's Farmer, he's another MC. It's all on now. Yeah, it's all on. So that's the MC. And look at that, there's Carl Vasal, principal for Rowendale College, deputy principal Mac. And Mac's doing this thing.
It's a very proud evening for all Niue people, here in Aotearoa, and I'm very humbled to be one of the recipients, but also I just want to say a big kawelahi to Puipuia Niue team, the families for getting this evening up, and just to acknowledge the work, the wahua and those of Niue, and also including John Eric, a very active, engaging member of our Niue community. And I just want to say, keep up the work you're doing, brother, and and let's raise that Niue flag high and let it, be known to the world that we are a tiny small nation, but we're very powerful. Kawelahi mununa fiafi.
Pakoe.
This evening we are continuing to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the Puipuia with the inaugural Puipuia Niue Tangata Niue in Aotearoa Awards. Beyond our own understanding, keep our hearts and minds
sponsors. Members of the Labour Party. Oh, nice.
Jubilee Gala. Mua kufuki ke whakamanaku e tu e lepo fulutau he motu he pule whamotu he motu na tolu ko Niue. Motu se fua, lukutuku lea, whakahoa motu mo Niue whikai. Kia puli nai ko.
Manako ke tukuatero ngalofo ke matua ko Hima Douglas Hauwood, who is speaker at It's a pleasure to see so many of you this evening. Absolutely wonderful. One of the a friend of mine told me that Niueans are curious, interesting people, described as egalitarian. We don't have any traditional kings or queens or nobles. We are all kings and queens. That's a good thing. People think for themselves, choose for themselves. But it can be difficult if we're trying to unite the community behind some event. So it's really wonderful that you are all here this evening. I just want to say, firstly, to thank the organizers of this event, and I'm pleased to come along and support them. To those 50 who have been chosen, congratulations. But remember, the 50 who have been successful this evening, there's about 29,500 out there as well. And we all contribute in our own way. I was happy to be part of that process to make sure that it has integrity, that it's done in the best possible way. I know our people, doesn't matter what you do, someone's going to complain. If you want to complain, I don't want to hear it. My role was to ensure that the process is done in the best possible way, that it has integrity, that conflicts are declared, and so on. So I'm pleased to be able to have been part of that process. So let's just celebrate those who have been successful this evening. I hope Niue will offer another opportunity in the future to recognize the good work. There's a lot of talent in our community. See, if all he don't wait out with the day of that look at my follow, if you do the chance to get but we'll have a magnet to make a place. I talk about the tools, but we'll have
Amotoloiki hamotolo atua. Diokia to na wala ki ho mua. A koe tau minu mita ki osi. Ne kua whaki mai e koe ma motolo.
Just the food. Get a recording before everyone comes out. What's that? Still seasoning. Can't see. Oh, here we go. Oh, mussels. Oh, taro. Nice. Oh, big otter. That's a winner. Yeah. Oh, here they come. Here they come. Yep. These boys had a meat to come off. I just thought I'd record the food before everyone comes. Alright. Yep, people are coming now. See that? Hey, how are you? Good. 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 How's work? Yo, I'm just talking to Sam Belisi. Sam. There's a camera here. And oh, this is the group.
This is John, Francina, and then Liz. John has a very busy YouTube page. Check his Niue stuff.
Oh, yo.
Any Niue words?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll follow. Liz and so man, I'll turn off the camera and put you on the spot like that. I'll come back over there. So one of our champions, Sam Polisi, Dr. Sam. Bro, how do you feel, bro, about this event? What do you think about this event?
It's really nice. Really nice for our community to come together and celebrate ourselves. We don't have these opportunities, so thank you to Niue. Thank you to John and everyone else. A good excuse for a party.
Always.
Mic on the stage, so we can see this.
That's why he's the only Niue player. Kumito, MNCD.
It's awesome.
First clinical psychologist for Niue. For counselling and psychological needs, contact Anne-Marie. Every family place.
This is my sister Miss getting an award. Ducky. Congrats.
Thank you.
Dennis Niue. Can I also say that this young man lost his dad last week? Yeah. Dennis, your dad will be proud of you.
Very good.
Don't they look beautiful?
Hee-ha! Hee-ha! Hee-ha!
To get some COVID test stuff. If you knew Lorna, you didn't have to pay a cent. She knew the ways. Thank you, Queen.
sure you come to work next time. Mahama Great Trust, and also appears on PMA Niue, keeping us up to date with education. Please welcome Mac Niue.
So Mac.
Sam Policing, please.
Sam.
And that's it from me.
That's Sam. Guarda le spalle.
And our final recipient tonight, ladies and gentlemen, is someone who has dedicated quite a chunk of their life to many professions within the health sector, community sector, and not forgetting COVID-19. no conto vaccinations ever had, so I went off to and I hope we haven't forgotten what COVID-19 impacted our communities. She's one of the ones that helped us through that dark stage, I guess, in our health community with COVID-19. And she's also one of the key persons responsible for tonight. Can I also acknowledge someone here from Jubilee who is here tonight with us? Please welcome Meleaoni to read acknowledge you here. Kia ora.
50 years, 60, however many years. And if there's one thing that I've learned from that time, and that is there is nothing better than to be recognized by your own people. How good is it? I may have agreed to this palace in wherever. We recognize our own people. I know that we now have two distinctive communities. There's you here in Aotearoa, New Zealand, and there's us. But let me say this. The only thing that separates us is the Pacific Ocean. And I say to you, let that be the only thing that separates us. We're not agreement of rules.
We have 40 Mr. John Eric or Hayden Eric. Oh, we like him too. I'll make you go.
As you can see, there's a lot of work has gone into putting on this night. We hope you enjoy that. We hope that there's a nice balance between the tour, the fuata, the bareng. It was a public call for nominations. So when there's the next call, make sure you nominate your friend or your neighbor or someone. In other words, you won't get in the list if you don't nominate. So it's a very public, very open, very transparent process. So congratulations again to all of you who've been recognized. And thank you for coming. As Peter Douglas says, there's nothing better than being acknowledged by your cause. So thank you very much.
Before you head off home.
Gus just won a recliner chair.
Olha tu kia tau tolu mone ke tutu, ke lolonga ta lolonga maha tau tolu, si olea tu ke he matua ha tau tolu, ko Reverend Sina Anana QSM, ke whakaosi e poha tau tolu, mataha Romi whakamone. Yeah, but don't go home after the song, please. I want to dance. Whakamone, tuki luka ke romo taha romo hana
So osie aho, osie whakau. Had a good night. Everyone's looking happy. Dave, happy? Fia, Mitaki?
Yeah, Mataki. Thanks Alan for coming. Make sure the food is on time. Everyone make sure chicken, I don't know rain, but make sure be there and click here. And one more shout out to Papa. Yeah, Mataki up.
Yep, hiya.
Peace.
Yep, awesome days. Yep, we're all on home now. Gotta go home, pick up the kids, miss. Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you so much. It was such an amazing evening, brother. Thank you very, very much.
Oh, you welcome.
What can I say? Just such an inspirational evening, and hopefully this is a milestone for all of us who are out here to do it better as we move to the next 50 years. Such an incredible night. So many giants in there, so many people had a moment of silence to remember the people who have gone before us, but there's so much beautiful energy in the room today. It's such an excellent evening. Yeah, boy.
Oh, awesome.
Enjoy your night. Thank you. No, we're going to go push at home on their own. So.
Oh, okay. Hey, Marco, manuin na healthy, manuin na pro. Oh yeah.
You always on the video.
Always. Okay, good to see you.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm from Chihuahua.
Yep.
Frida's my niece.
Okay. Frida. How is she? Oh, okay, where's she? Frida. Oh, Frida. Frida. Okay, there, got it. Congrats, Frida.
The player too. Thank you for being here. Awesome night. Can't wait for the next one.
Yeah.
Go ahead, my John.
So we're done. We're done now. We're finished.
Have you finished?
Yeah.
Powerful soul. Man. Awesome night?
Oh man, I just feel humbled. I stand on the, like they say, I stand on the shoulders of legends and warriors and giants. So, whakau lahi mahaki to everybody involved. Whakau e.
Oh, yep. Gotta get some.
Son, say for the camera, son.
This your son? Oh, this is Carl's son?
Yeah.
Hey, well, hi, Hingo, what's your name? Oh, home. Yo. How was it seeing your dad get the award?
God, it was good.
Yeah. Yeah, alright. Okay.